Hi guys, welcome to the numeracy solution for 2023. Let's go. Time taken 40 minutes actually. All right, let's go down right into it. Hope everyone did their best. Only your best is good enough. All right. What options show coins with a total value of 42 cents? So this is 20 cent, 10 cent, and 1 cent. So it's not this. This one is 20 and 20, 40. It's a $10, so that no matter. All right. So you look for that. All right. C says 20, that's a 23. And here we have 20 and 20, 40 and 10 cent. 10, 1 each. So this would be D. Love ask for them full money upon questioning. Which two numbers will give a total of 100? And that would be 35 and 65. 5 and 5, 10, carry the 1, so that gives us 7. Was it again? C. What operation will give you the difference of two numbers? And that would be subtraction. So far, what I expected. All right. Which number when divided by 3 leaves a remainder? So are we looking at which of these numbers when I divide it by 3, it leaves a remainder? 3 into 12 would goes exactly 4 times. So that would be 14. We leave a remainder of 2. Which of the following statement is true? 19 is greater than 25. 19 is less than 25, and that is B. That is true. All right. How many did you guys get correct? Number 6 says a bag with mangoes is shared equally among 3 friends. Which of the following would result in the number of mangoes each friend receive? And that would be 30 divided by 3. Which of the following represent the product of 521 and 3? So that will give you a 3, 6, 15. So that's what. C. Product means to multiply. Remember that, guys. All right, let's go back up. Which digit has the greatest value in 4,000? All right, that would be 4, which is the value of 4,000, right? Next one I have 300. Next one I have 50. So far, nice questions. Number 9 says, which of the following represent $425? Oh, 23. Which of the following represent $423.15? That would be D. What is another way of writing 540? So that would be 500, 4 tens, and 0 ones. So that would be D. Right, let's move on to 11. The diagram below shows a rectangle divided into 4 equal parts. The shaded part of the rectangle shown represent is 1 whole. Use the diagram to answer the question. What is the total fraction represented by the shaded parts of the rectangles? So here we have 1 whole plus another whole, and then we have plus 3/4, 3 out of 4. So that should be 2 3/4. All right. Number 12 says a fraction of a circle has been shaded. Use it to answer item 12. Which number represents the denominator of the fraction that is shaded? And that would be the total number of parts. That's the denominator. If you had watched my videos, these should be cakewalk for you. And that would have been 8. And guys, summer school on. All right. Link me up for grade 4, grade 5. Which is 364 rounded to the nearest 100. Now this pass 50, so it will be 400. Once it's reached 350, then the nearest 100 becomes 400. Alex came fourth in a race. Sam came 3 places ahead of him. What was Sam's position in the race? So let's put Alex here. So you have fourth. Next you have third. You have second. And you have first. So it says Sam came 3 places ahead. So 3 places will be 1, 2, 3. So that would be first. So why is it not third? Oh, that one is weird. 3 places in front, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, so when I come third, only 2 people come ahead, yeah. All right. The picture below shows a group of students used it to answer item 15. What fraction of the group of students are studying? So we have 3 studying, basically. The other one are giving one. And we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 3 out of 7. Technically, this is not a fraction because the parts have to be equal. The kids are not equal, but I understand the whole concept of them still. All right, so that will be 3 out of 7. Examine the line below, use it to answer item 16. What fraction best describe the location? Oh, this look taller than that one. Oh my God. I'm gonna go with a quarter, but Jaja. I hope the kids measure it with their ruler. What type of madness that here? All right, examine the set of triangles below. The fraction of the triangles are shaded is 610. Use it to answer them. Which whole number is 6/10 closest to? But again, it's greater than 5, so it would be 1. All right, examine the picture showing the bottle with liquid soap below. Use it to answer question 18. Which unit of measure is more suitable to represent the amount of liquid soap? Is it gram, liter, meter, or ton? Again, we have discussed all of these stuff, so that will be liter. This one says, which of the following is the same time shown below? So the hour on is a shorter answer, that's 5. And the minute hand go by that, so that's 5:20. 4 minutes past 5, no. 5 minutes past 4, no. 20 minutes past 4, no. So it have to be this, which is 20 minutes past 5. I don't think nobody read time like that, only Jamaica. A piece of stick is 55 centimeter long. How much shorter than 1 meter is the stick? So we know that it takes 100 centimeter to make 1 meter. So it's gonna be 100 minus 55, which gives us 45. So it's 45 centimeters shorter. Right, let's look at 20. Examine the rectangle below. Use it to answer item 21. So we have 4 and 7. The amount of space taken up by the rectangle is 28 centimeters square. What does 28 centimeters represent? And that would be the area. So important for you to know your unit, guys. Which instrument is best accurately used to measure a temperature? And that would be B, the thermometer. The scale, you guys would have discussed that in class. Clock tell the time, ruler tell the length, right? All right, so now we go down to now. The best month of the year. The diagram below shows the month of October from a calendar for the year 22. Use it to answer item 23 and 24. Which day is October 3? So first we find 3 and see which day it matches with. And that is Monday. Which of the following is true about the month of October? It has 6 weeks, 5 weeks, 2 days, 5 weeks, and that would be key. Let me check it again, yeah. That has 6 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 days here, so an additional, yeah. All right, so that would be 4 weeks and 3 days. Yo, that's so weird. Let me see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 28 and 3, yeah. All right. Which of the following? Ra, 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 ra. Examine the box below. Use it to answer item 25. The box is an example of which solid? Is it a cube, cuboid, cylinder, or a sphere? And that would be cuboid. 26. A line was drawn through a rectangle, drawn through a shape and create two identical squares. Which of the following would be the shape of the line drawn? Circle, kite, I'm thinking a rectangle would get two squares, right? 27. A bicycle together with its price tag is shown below. Use it to answer item that. Which of the following would result in the cost of two bicycles? N divided by n times n, and that would be D. Let's move at 28. Susan bought the bicycle on sale for half price. She paid 4,000. What was the original price? It would be 400, and you cut it in half. That means it had what been 400 more. So it's a total of $800. Not 800, but 8,000. Yeah. All right. Let's move on to 29. Coming to the end now, guys. Students in grade 4 class were asked which sport they like the most. Use the pictograph below represent the responses. Use it to answer item 29 and 30. So we have track and field, netball, tennis, football, and the key is this represents 4 students. Let's see what the first question says. How many students like football? I know if I don't like football, so we have 4 plus 4 plus 2. Half of it will be 2, so 4 plus that will give us 10. And the final one, which sport is liked by twice the number of students who like tennis. So I'm going to see how many like tennis first. Tennis. So it's 4 and 2, 6. Which one of them came up to 8? No, 12 twice. So this will be 4 plus 4 plus 4. So it will be netball. All right. So this is 12, and 12 is twice 6. So how many persons got 30 out of 30? If you're a part of my channel, you should be able to get that. All right, guys, here's an opportunity for you guys to join my class. I'm gonna leave my number here. And parents, space is going up fast. Giving discount this year again. So it's very difficult when to get the students up to scratch for just September alone. So if you can get them enrolled from in the summer, it would be awesome. We can get to lay the foundation and we can complete the syllabus on time. So there's my number, 549-2161. All right, guys, see you soon. See you guys in class, all right? Homie, that's what they call. Daddy, pay the money, get them signed up, all right? The sound coming them out, without. See you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, guys.